Hi, I'm Deborah from D&B Car Seats, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Avionaut Sky. The Avionaut Sky is a 25 kilo Swedish Plus Tested seat, and as such it's not ISOFIX. It's installed with these lower rail tethers and the seat belt. The tethers can be a little bit scary, but they're just like mini seat belts that tie underneath the bottom of your rails. I've got one installed already, but I'm going to show you how to do the other one. So with your tethers, you get a little loop at the end. And what you're going to do is feel under your rail till you find a gap and slide your tether underneath. You can then grab it with your fingers at the other side, pull it back along the rail till it gets to this bolt, and then you can feed it underneath and then slide your clip through your tether point. This allows you to get a nice tight install and also gives you full use of your car seat up front. So that's your tethers in. It's now time to install the car seat. The one thing you want to ensure is that your leg is untucked from underneath the car seat. So make sure you're going to have space to drop your car seat leg. The seat belt's going to go through these gaps here where the green clips come out. There's clips on both sides. So we're going to pull our seat belt out. We're going to thread it through the gaps. The seat's hollow in the middle, so you can grab the seat belt with one hand and then post it through the other side. Find your buckle and click it in. You want to make sure that the seat belt, both parts of the seat belt, go into this green clip here, and only one part goes in on the other side. To ensure you remove all the slack out of the seat belt, I find it much easier to put my full body weight into the seat and then pull all the slack out of the bottom. I then can clip my green clips in safely. Both sides at the buckle, and this bit stays out on this side. You can then drop your leg to the floor. I have to be careful to avoid my storage boxes. Get your tether point. Try and make sure your tethers don't twist. Click it to your metal loops underneath your seat, one on each side. And as you pull and tighten, this will unclick and there's a little green indicator on the leg that will turn green. So you literally just have to pull on both sides until your indicator goes green and your leg is locked in place. And that's it. That is how you install the Avionaut Sky. You always test the installation of your seat with your non-dominant hand across your belt path. So just give it a wiggle and it's in. Solid. Thank you.